Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and we've got a fine stack of Duchess Bone China dinner plates to show you here. Got them in a stack so you can appreciate the gilt rims around here and the quality and condition of them. They're really well conserved, considering these were last made in early 1980s and continuously from 1940s onwards. I think these are probably later versions. They're 10.25 inch, got the classic dual pheasants in flight. Sometimes that design is transposed with the cock pheasant on the lower aspect and the hen pheasant above, but on the dinner plates it's reversed with the two birds in a single block of design. Scallop trim, as you can see, very deep irregular rolling scallop with this lovely thick gilt decoration around the outer sides. Period Duchess bone china marks on all of these pieces. Bone china made in England, used for continuous period of production. You really can't tell too much by looking at the factory stamps in terms of getting a date range for production. So the guide has to be somewhere between late 1940s and early 1980s. These, as I say, are probably 1970s if I was pushed, just because of the brightness of them, and they are in absolutely superb condition. Just look at the glaze reflection on there, the actual glaze itself on front and rear, and the transfer design, no wear on them at all, gilt round the rims as new. You're not going to find a better set online anywhere when it comes to condition. 10.25 inch wide rimmed English dinner plates, Duchess bone china pheasant, made in England and in fine condition. We'll put a link in the description below taking you through to the website listing where these plates are on sale individually. Do have dessert plates, side plates, and a whole range of dinnerwares coming through and being listed over the next couple of days. So if you're looking for specific size flatware or serveware in Duchess pheasant, also got some lovely, very rare mugs that are coming online. I think they're already listed. So one for collectors of Duchess pheasant that doesn't make it to the market very often at all. Thanks for watching.